So hello guys, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So in this video today we are going to see one of the logical function in Excel, which is if function. And before this I will show you one thing, to how to compare two numbers using the different logical operations. Okay, so as you can see the screen here, we have two numbers, which first one is 85 and second one is 65. Okay, so what I will do, I will show you how to compare these two numbers. So first, I will show you the formula, which is like if you want the answer as true or false, whether the number in cell A2 and B2, A2 is greater than B2 or not. Okay, so first I will show you, I will give this number here. Okay, now you can see, and here I will type whether this A2 is greater than B2. Okay, so what we are going to get the answer. Okay, so just press enter. You can see A2 is smaller than B2, so we are getting the answer as false. And if you will change the number to 85, you can see the result here. You are getting the answer as true. So just make it 45. And what if if you want the result as 1 and 0? Okay, so for this we are going to use if function. Okay, for comparing these two numbers we are going to use if function. So how to use it? So we will use if function first. Just give is equal to if, open bracket, if A2 is greater than B2. So what should be my result? My result should be 1. If A2 is greater than B2, then if it's true, then give the result as 1. Okay, and if the result is false, then I need 0. So write 0, close the bracket, and press enter. Now you can see A2 is smaller than B2, so we are getting the result as 0. And if I am changing the number, make it 85, you can see the answer here. We are getting 1. Okay, and what if in place of 1 and 0 I want like pass or fail? Okay, what if I want pass or fail, then what is how to get it? So what I will do, uh, just again I will use if function. Okay, if. Okay, now same my criteria. One sec, I was just closing something. Yeah, now if I want pass and fail, okay, as a result, so first, what is my logical test? So my logical test is A2 should be, if A2 is greater than B2, then what I want in result, I want pass or fail. So what I have to do, see, if you want in like any numeric as a result, okay, so directly you can give the numeric value, but if you want text, you have to type it inside the double quote. Okay, so I want pass. Okay, close the quote, and if not, what I want fail. So again, fail inside the double quote, close it, and close the bracket, press enter. You can see the result is fail because A2 is lesser than B2. And if I'm going to change, then you can get the answer, same thing. And the next one I will show you, like if I want the same thing, pass and fail, but I want in uppercase, and in that case how to use it. So you can type it in the uppercase, you can type it. Otherwise what you can do, in the same function, type if and give the logical test first. Then what you have to do, type upper. Okay, and you can see here I've written pass and fail in my D1 and D2 column. To select pass for first criteria, okay, and comma, again upper, second criteria, close the bracket and press enter. You can see the result. The pass is in uppercase. And what if we are changing the value? Then fail we are getting in uppercase. One more criteria, one more option, one more example I will show you. Same like pass and fail. If I want yes or no, so we have to use the same formula. If what is my criteria? My criteria is A2 greater than B2, and what I want yes. So yes inside the double quote, and I want no if it is wrong. No inside the double quote. Close the bracket and press enter. You can get the result. Okay, these are the normal answer what I want, like if I want pass, if I want one, and if I want in uppercase you want some text in after the final calculation. What if I want the sum? If the criteria is true, if the A2 is greater than B2, and if A2 is greater than B2, then if I want sum, and if it is not greater than, then I want the result as 0. So in that case, what I have to do, just same thing, give the formula. If give your criteria A2 greater than B2, comma, what I want, if this is true, then I want B2 plus A2, so I want B2 plus A2. And what if it is wrong, it is false, then I want 0, so give 0, close the bracket and press enter. You can see this is smaller, so we are getting the result as 0. And what if this is larger, then you can get the sum. 85 plus 65 is the 85 is greater than 65, so we are getting a result as the sum of these two numbers. Okay, and one more criteria. Okay, one more criteria. What is it? Is like if the condition is true, I want today's date, and if condition is false, so I want today's date plus 10 more days, like from today's 10 days I want as my result. So you can see same if function, you have to give your criteria first. Logical test, what is my logical test? A2 is greater than B2, and now comma, what I want, if this is true, then I want today's date. Okay, and if this is false, I want today's date plus 10 days. So you have to give today's, open bracket, close bracket, plus 10, and close the bracket and press enter. You can see you are getting, this is not a fault, this is because of the format of the cell. Because currently you can see in the home tab in the right side here, you can see the format of the cell is general. So what I have to do, I have to change the format of the cell. So just go click on drop down menu. Here you can see short date, click on short date, and you can see the result. Okay, and if this is small, then you can see today's date is 18th. Okay, because I'm recording this video on 18th, so today's date is 18th. So if this is smaller, then we are getting the result as today's date plus 10. And if this is bigger, if this is larger than the B2 cell, then we are getting today's date. So this was how we are using logical function, which is if function. And this is all about today's class, and later we will see some other functions. And this, thank you so much for watching this. And if you learn something, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get each and every update. Whenever I'm going to post a video, you will get immediate, you will get an update, and you can watch it and you can learn it. So just for the time being, keep learning. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.